Everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 2738 where it could not access the VBScript runtime for custom action. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to go start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go ahead and just right click on the top bar of the command prompt window here, select edit, and then paste in this command that I'm going to have in the description of the video here. If it says it was unable to find it, that's fine. However, we're going to go paste in the second command I'm going to have. So just edit, paste, going to hit enter, and it should say it has succeeded in registering this DLL value. So again, we're basically, the first one was deleting it, and then we were going to re-register it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I didn't have it to begin with. That's why I said I was unable to find it. However, I just registered it. So at that point, it should say it succeeded. Restart your computer for anything you did to take effect. And that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.